Hello everyone. Hello to my LinkedIn or YouTube family, the family from ServiceNow community as well. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone, whoever is connected from different geographical regions of the world. Welcome back to my live session. And Today live session, I am not having any special guest, but I am doing the live session and I will share some information related to ServiceNow developer side and as well as ServiceNow community side. So these sites are modified after the early release of Zurich version. So there is some modification related to ServiceNow developer website and as well as ServiceNow community site. If people have noticed, so there would be some difference created while the new view of developer side and the community side. So let's not wait and we should start for our session because already I have started like 5 6 minutes late. So I assume people were already waiting and then people have connected through my live session. All right, so let's proceed and try to see what all things is modified inside our ServiceNow developer website and as well as ServiceNow community site. So let's proceed further on that. And meanwhile, so if anybody is having any type of question, they can ask me through the comment, and then I will try to answer the questions whichever is asked. All right, so let's proceed. Let me share my screen first. All right, so I have shared my screen and now we will try to open developer.servicenow.com and we will see the changes. So my login page is already login SSO is already saved in the browser. So it has auto logged in my ServiceNow developer website. So here we have multiple things. We have drop down, so like we have now my now and products industries learning support. So these are connected with various site like ServiceNow University, where we can explore our career journeys and we can check the expert programs, training, certification, rise up with ServiceNow if someone has to grow in ServiceNow community. And we have training and certification learning at center under ServiceNow University. So ServiceNow University is altogether provides the learning things within ServiceNow. So we will not go much deeper on that. So here there is a profile, my profile and settings, FAQ, and here we have various locations displayed. And here we have search button. We can search within our developer site here. So now what has been changed here? We will see. So we if you see, I have clicked on this drop down button. First we see like what all changes happened on the main page. You are able to see some of the blogs has been added, like what's new in ServiceNow Studio, Yokohama release. These are old blog, but here we will find the blogs whatever is launched, whatever new blogs is written. So now as soon as I click on here, we have manage my instance and start building. So under manage my instance, we can manage our instance or the personal developer instance which we have requested through this developer site. So one is start building, it will directly open the instance, my instance, where I used to work on various POC or some experimental things, right? So again we will go to and click on manage my instance. So here you will see lot of things. So first part is like under manage my instance, we have the status of our instance, whether it is online or offline, right? So here if we see, we have refresh button and we can see which is the latest version and everything mentioned here, right? So we have refresh button, so we can refresh our PDI according to our needs. If you find like instance is not working accordingly, so you can try to refresh your instance. It will not take more than a minute as well. Less than a minute your instance will be refreshed. Here we see App Engine Studio installed, Creator Studio, ServiceNow Studio. So these are the installed things inside ServiceNow, which is mainly required for development. And we have the current version as Zurich, so which early release was done like last month. And we have the instance URL and the username, password, and the user role, whatever is defined. So you can go to settings and you can request for reset instance password, email login credentials, manage email properties. So these all things can be done. And useful links are like PDI guide, PDI frequently asked questions, and then we can manage our PDI, and then we can look for developer advocate blog also using these links, right? So if we try to open these links, so it will open the developer guide, it will open my developer program FAQ and PDI guide, how you can manage your PDI. And here you can, what is the last part, developer advocate blog. So this will redirect us to ServiceNow community, and then you can look for the blogs. And scrolling, we have this action button also, where we can release our instance, change user role, remove demo data, reset or wipe instance, and view history. So this is also the quite nice feature which was first displayed on the screen, but that was not much user friendly, but this is more user friendly. So like the changes to developer side came after so long, and the changes are really awesome. And if you scroll down, we have plugin ac- activation detail and everything mentioned as a tabbed view here, right? So this is quite cool thing which is introduced after the Zurich release. So developer site is also modified. So you can see we have plugins here. We can activate or we can view the details with related to plugins, right? So we can click on activate plugin or anything, whichever is required for your task. Okay. So these are all plugins which can be activated within ServiceNow developer site. All right. So this is quite nice view which they have launched and provided to us. So if you can you can do a lot of things. So the things was present earlier as well, but the UI is completely changed now in after the Zurich release. So the developer site is also modified accordingly. Okay, so no questions. So if you have any questions, you can ask here, or people can message me over the LinkedIn or the YouTube or the WhatsApp channel. So you can comment there. So now next part is we are having ServiceNow community. Here we have covered almost everything. We can search here within the developer side, and here we can redirect to various sites or the links or to see what ServiceNow is doing and what is happening inside ServiceNow. Okay, so now let's move to our community side. So people have noticed or not, but there is a changes applied to ServiceNow community site as well. So previously the menu items were completely different, but now it is behaving as completely different, right? So here we have a lot of things. Zurich release has arrived. Interested in new features and functionalities? You can click for more here. Okay. So here you will find the release and upgrade, how you can see all product updates, and you can as well as plan the upgrades accordingly. So let's proceed and see. We have my now, we have products. These menu items content was same, but they have they have increased the performance, and they have increased the quality of the UI which is presented to users, and it became user friendly. So learning, you can go to ServiceNow University support, you can go to ServiceNow customer support. Partners, you can check, find partner, become a partner. Here we can check various things inside ServiceNow like investors, research, leadership, locations. And now we have product hub. Product hub, we can see AI platform, we have app in development, we have asset management, data foundations, industry solutions, all products we are having, and we can view those products, right? We can connect if we have any events, developer meetups, industry groups, or the interest group, or snug meetups. So every event or the updates can be visible to this site, and they can update and they can get all the updates related to different events happening on different geographical regions of the world. And now we have blogs. So we have community blogs organized together. We have developer blog, ServiceNow blogs. So all blogs are connected to this site, and this is quite cool. If you see, all the developer blogs, official developer blogs is presented inside those links, right under blog section. Under resource, we have different resources like community central, community guidelines, recognition and rewards program, leaderboards, and we have expert programs links through which we can become MVP, rising star, or an expert with related to various certification or the certified trainer, right? And now we can ask a question, create a blog post, create an article over the community. We have these three button visible under as the community section, and here previously there was one button coming ask a question, but now create a blog, create an article also displays under as the community section. If you scroll down, you will find all the question asked from various developers or the architects or the people who have started working in service. Now everybody can ask the question, answer the question, and make those answer helpful, correct answer, mark that solution is working fine, right? All right, so these are two sites which has been modified at a good way, so that it helps us to redirect to specific things whenever is required, right? So here we have different. So one of the thing, if you see, the product part is the interesting one, where you can see featured products, ServiceNow AI platform, and we can find AI data workflows, security infrastructure, RaptorDB, We can view a demo with related to specific things, right? So if you click on RaptorDB, suppose, so we can watch the demo, what RaptorDB is doing and what is the actionable things RaptorDB provides to your performance with related to your flow, which is added or which has huge amount of customizations. And we have demo library, the most important part, where you can check the various demo options, like for every skill level, like who is a developer, architect, BPC, or business analyst, or scrum master, team lead. Anyone can come here and then request for the things, right? Okay. So far, any questions? So let me check if there is any questions from anyone. I think no question from anyone. So everybody is getting it fast. Okay, so I think I am done from my side for the updates related to ServiceNow developer side and the ServiceNow community side. Now, what I have to do? So over the next live session, I will show you how you can navigate inside ServiceNow University. Right? So I will be live, and the people can ask the question, whatever question they have, and then we can connect over that, and we will see the people have questions or not, right? So thus questions whatever will be asked over the next session, it will be answered. And ServiceNow University people still are struggling to redirect to various things, so I request everybody to join ServiceNow University section as my next live session. So I will share the link again today, and most probably I will be live tomorrow with related to ServiceNow University, and then people can question whatever the questions they are having. All right. So yeah, so this is all about today's live session where I have given the overview for the new developer site and the new community site of ServiceNow. So please follow my updates over the LinkedIn, over the YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel LearnIT, and as well as follow me over the LinkedIn. So have a nice day, and have a good weekend and enjoy your weekend. So yeah, bye bye everybody. So hopefully we will be back with another live session for ServiceNow University. So stay tuned for more updates in my LinkedIn post. All right. Thank you everyone for joining me live on this